If your mind gets louder in the moment you try to meditate in silence, then let's not fight your thoughts. Let's give your mind something calming it can focus on instead. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to guide you through a simple humming meditation, and it will give your mind something to focus on instead of forcing it into silence. If you would like to go deeper into relaxation today, just comment hum. I'm going to send you a free 10-minute singing meditation you can use after work or daily, whenever you can't switch off. My name is Energy, and I create singing and humming meditations for people who struggle with traditional silent meditation. So let's begin. Just search for a comfortable place you can sit, like your sofa, or I just use a pillow here. And we're going to take a breath in, and on the breath out, we're going to hum 3 notes. And if you feel like your body wants to move, or it wants to sway, then just let it. There's no need to sit still, okay? Okay, so let's just close our eyes. Take a breath in. Just focus on voice. Just keep going, you're doing great. If you like to put your hand on the chest, you can do this to feel your vibes. One more time. Well done. Now just keep your eyes closed and just notice how you're feeling right now. Are your shoulders soft? Do you feel a softness in your body? Does your mind feel lighter now? And do you even feel some kind of joy or bliss traveling through your body? Just notice and sit for a while with this feeling. So if this worked better than silent meditation and you would like to go even deeper today into this kind of relaxation practice, then you can just comment hum, and I'm going to send you a beginner-friendly singing meditation. 10 minutes long, free for you to get it. Just comment hum.